All right, today I have the E-Terra Sodastream, and I'm going to be unboxing this and trying this out for the first time. Now, it's important that you read the instructions before using this product. I'm going to be saving a lot by using this as opposed to going and getting the boxes of sparkling water. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at this. I'm going to open it up. Before I open it up, let's go. So on the side of this, it talks about some of the experience features that it has right here. It says enjoy a perfect carbonation experience. Right here it says patent quick connect system, dishwasher safe bottle, bottle snap and lock, unique technology, and 3 carbonated levels. You have sparkling, you have sparkling, and you have sparkling level for carbonation. And you also have one touch technology as opposed to doing it manual. So great features. And also on the side, it shows what comes along inside of this. If you can see right here, it says a sparkling water maker, a power adapter, and a SodaStream CO2 cylinder. Now you need the CO2 cylinder in order to produce the carbonation that goes in the water. Now when this goes out, you can go ahead and get a replacement for the CO2 cylinder. You usually buy it at the store, wherever SodaStream, E-Terra Sodastreams are sold. All right, now this usually lasts for about 4 to 8 weeks from what I'm told. I will see how that works out. And then last but not least, there is a 1 liter BPA-free bottle that you can use right here. I believe that there is a actual glass bottle that you can use as opposed to the 1 liter BPA-free bottle. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. They claim that let's change the world with the way the world drinks, I suppose. So let's go ahead and open this up from the top, make it drop, and push for better. I guess it's better. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right here and pull it out. But the first thing that we have is the manual. So I'll take a look at this in the bathroom sometime. So after you pull that out, that is the manual. Very important that you read the manual before operating this, and don't take this video as serious as you should reading the manual. Very important to read the manual and abide by the manual before operating this. So this right here is the bottle, the BPA-free bottle for producing the carbonated water and the SodaStream. Inside here is the power adapter, which I'm going to go ahead and pull out. So this is the power adapter. Blada bling, blada bling. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel this, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this up eventually. A nice looking power adapter, I must say. Put that to the side. And look at this. This is the CO2 bottle. Be careful with this right here. I'm gonna set this down right here. Oh, I'll put that right there. And what else in here? We have some nice plastic you can use for picking up after your dog, I guess. It comes with it. And inside, oh, thought that was a CO2 bottle. I did get scared, but I was scared for you all. I didn't want to frighten you all. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. And this is the actual SodaStream. All right, recycle your cardboard. And I wish I had some theme music to go along with this, but I don't. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this down. Look at this, in all of its glory right here. This is the SodaStream, E-Terra Sodastream, connected right there. Now it's important that you read the user manual before you're operating this. I'm just winging this right now. This is not the exact instructions, so please take note to read your manual. So here's the SodaStream. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the adapter. I'm gonna take this and find where the hole is. It's usually always difficult at first to find where the hole is, but eventually you find your way and the magic happens. Go ahead and put that in there and go ahead and put it in place right here. Come out the side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. And you see here are the controls that are up here. Here's for the soda, soda, and the soda. 3 different intensities of how you want your soda water. So have that in there. The next thing I'm going to do is plug in this into the socket. So I'm plugging it in right now. And it gives me 3 options. But now I have to add water. So let me figure out how to add water to this. It's usually, boom, like that. You see how that happened? You don't add water to it, you add the CO2. Now it's important that you read the instructions on how to attach it because I don't exactly know, but I'm going to wing it right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the wrapper. And expose the top of this right here. And it's supposed to go inside of here, so it's important that you put this in properly. Go ahead and take that off. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead, open this up. It's important to put this down into place like that. So once you have slide it into place right here, you slide into place, and voila, it's in place right here. And so what I'm gonna do now is you're gonna have to go ahead and fill this up. Now it's important that you rinse this out before using this, but you're gonna put in some clean water. And right here, I have some nice bottled water. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. If I can find the hole. A little bit more, a little bit more. And so if you look on the side of the bottle, it shows where to fill the water at. You see this right here? That is where you're supposed to fill it up. 840 milliliters. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish pouring it up. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and voila. Did a little bit more than what I was supposed to. Drink a little bit of it. Set this aside. Now remember when I placed the CO2 cartridge on the back, I am going to go ahead and put the cover back on to the Sodastream. All right, so once I have it there, I have the cap, but I'm not gonna place the cap right there, okay? I'm actually going to go ahead and put this into place. So you put this into place, I believe, by going right here. And doing it like that. Now, it could be wrong, so it's important that you read your owner's manual. And so once I have that, it's all plugged in. I press the button for just a soda. And it is actually making the soda water, just like that. And when it's done, it's gonna go like this. Look at this. Fresh soda. Let me grab a glass so we can see this. So this is the soda that I just made in the Sodastream. I'm gonna get a glass and I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. All right, so pour it like you're pouring in carbonate. You can hear the fizziness, listen. Hear that? I'm gonna go ahead and try some of this. Indeed, I just made soda. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.